Today I'm running an experiment. I'm going to test out a traditional way to clean old coins. Testing a coin from the Nicholas I period. Looks good so far, with nice visible relief. Here's my setup for the experiment: a board, a knife, a container, and most importantly, common household soap. First, I am finely chopping the soap. Then, I put the soap shavings into the jar, add water, and stir it well. Check out my Instagram post to find out why and how soap actually works for this. You actually need more water than I just added, as the soap absorbs quite a bit while dissolving. Now, I am submerging the coin in the soap mix, making sure it is completely covered. Well, let's check back on the coin in a week.